You'll need regular or Dijon mustard, mayonnaise, hot sauce, garlic powder, pepper and paprika, bacon, and eggs. As a quicker method to boil, fill your kettle up with water first and then pour into the saucepan. Place your stove setting on high. Then fill a small saucepan to completely cover the eggs in water. Once boiled, using a tablespoon, gently place the eggs in water and set a timer for 15 minutes. Once eggs are done boiling, immediately prepare an ice bath. So the yolk of the egg should be completely solid. Now comes the fun part of just crushing the egg yolk using a fork. Combine all the ingredients and then mix together to form a paste. Using a teaspoon, put the egg yolk paste into the solid egg whites. Take out your paprika and just lightly sprinkle all around the eggs, as equal as you can. Set aside the eggs and dice the bacon as best as you can. The bacon may be a bit slippery and greasy to cut. Turn your stove to medium and slide in the diced bacon. Cook the bacon until it's crispy. You won't need to add any other oil because bacon is already high in fat. It will just cook in its own fat. Once fully cooked and patted down with paper towel, sprinkle the bacon bits all over your eggs. You may also add chives on top to give it a more aesthetic look. I hope you enjoy this as a snack or breakfast. Thanks for watching.